traffic update, Golden Week. So Japan, Golden Week holiday, where Japanese people enjoy holidays, go work, family time. Update here, guys. Golden Week live update. Today's weather is cloudy day. Maganda pasyalan sa labas. Bumper to bumper ang show. But let's enjoy the road. Toyo tires. Meron din ganito sa Japan. Sa gilid-gilid. Toyo tires. Parang Cebu lang din Basta holidays, pero pag normal days, not so serious yung traffic jam ito sa Japan. Sa wakas, nakalagpas din kami sa traffic. And here we are. Punta tayo ng outlet, guys. Hanap tayo ng mga murang original bag, shoes. Window shopping lang. Truck na naman tayo ulit. But okay lang. Kasi hindi naman mainit. Spring pa naman. Pag summer dito, yan. Medyo mainit. Pero ngayon, okay lang. Kahit gutom na. Yung family mart, convenience store, anywhere. Kahit saan ka pumunta sa Japan, may convenience store. Sa traffic ulit, but it's okay. So yan po ang traffic update. Toyota rent a car. Toyota rent a car. Dami mga restaurants dito sa gilid. Pag nagugutom ka na, pwede kang dine in. Aoki sabi niya, like sana siya, fashion store. There you are. Pero kahit traffic, nakakaano pa naman din. Nakakadaloy pa naman din yung dagat. So yan po, many car companies used. Car companies. Ito, Piago, shopping mall. Piago is also anywhere. Maraming Piago po na shopping mall sa city namin. Anywhere you can see Piago shopping mall. Seria, katulad yung Daiso. Seria is a 100 yen shop. 100 yen shop is about 39 pesos in the Philippines. Lahat po nandyan ay almost 39 pesos lang lahat. Pero pag medyo may mga mga mahal-mahal na presyo, pero mostly 100 yen or 39 pesos, 30, 67, 38, 39 pesos like that. Okay, so KS live na lang tayo while on the road kasi so traffic. Ayan, so may underground dyan, siguro may subway dyan. Baba ka dyan, siguro may subway station. Ayan, so may ato. Uy, parang nagugutom ako. Nakita ng ramen. Ramen, yes siya. Ayan and sobrang traffic daw lagi. But let's enjoy. It's okay. Let's enjoy the road. KS. Ano yung KS? Parang denki, no? KS. Parang ano siguro yun. I don't know. Daihatsu. Yan, Daihatsu's close in Golden Week. Nandito tayo sa Central Tajima. Huwag ko ba ikasan ko kami papunta. Ayan, mini stop. It's a competitor of 7-Eleven and Family Mart. At saka Moss Burger, competitor ng McDonald's at saka KFC. Mini Stop is a convenience store in Japan. I like the their chicken. Sarap ng chicken sa sa Mini Stop. Jutay daw, traffic. Kaya nga. Live lang tayo dito sa gilid. Kasi kahit pa paano, at least may update din, di ba? So yan po, heavy and long traffic. Ito na naman tayo sa gilid. Daming shops. Tingnan natin kung familiar ba natin yung mga shops na nandito. This one is from school or tutorial center. This one is station siguro. Time check, may rin. Grab natin yung 11:15 in the morning. 11:15 in the morning. Ayan, heavy traffic jam tayo dito. Hindi na natin ipakita yung plate number kasi bawal yun. Dito na sa gilid. Dahan-dahan lang. Safe drive on the road. So, yan ang traffic. Oh, naku. Ang haba. May nakita po stones, pero na siya, parang mag-lands, stone slide. So, gibanggat siya, gibaat para dili siya mo. Dili mahulog, oh. So amazing. Kita na ibagod, dyan na yun. Oo. Kita na dyan na yun. Tingnan nyo, oh. Binanggat yung stone para dili siya mahulog. So amazing. Sa atin pa yan, pinabiyaan na yan. Bahalag mahulog. So, we are here in Tajimiya Mabuki Tech Park. So, yan po ang ating destination as of now. Tingnan nyo ang traffic, guys. Nako, grabe. Pero, it's not common during usual days. During holidays only. Enjoy lang natin yan. Hana. Flowers at the mountain. Wala lang. Ano lang siya? Wildflowers lang siya. Wildflowers. Ang daming flowers pag spring season kasi. So you will enjoy from the winter. Walang leaves yung trees, but spring they are growing and back to its lively nature. So yan. Madami din mga plants kasi dito po kami sa middle of the mountain, going to the city. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That's all for the Golden Week 2026 update. Thank you and have a blessed day, everyone. At least 10 minutes lang yung video. Tama na to. Till next. If you want more videos, subscribe to my channel. Ta-da! So nice.